Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage these CAN settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we want to do is go over and click on the menu. So go to the menu, now here select function settings and go to common. Now here we need to go over to scan settings, and here we can manage the auto online and auto offline settings, so we can disable them and enable them. Basically, we can enable or disable the auto online, and we can change the auto offline from 1 to 60 minutes. We can completely turn this off. And now I'll show you the second way on how you guys can do that. So here we are at the web page. As you guys can see, I've got my scan settings right here, but first I'll show you how I got here. Basically, I've entered the system manager mode and entered my remote UI access pin. Now let's click on login, and we need to go to the settings and registration. Now let's go to function settings, and here we have the common settings. Now here, without reading anything, let's click on edit, and here we need to find the sub setting for the scan settings right here. So as you guys can see, we've got the auto online right here, so auto online for remote scan, and auto offline time. We can disable it also here, but we just need to type 0 right here instead of turning it off by the checkbox. So we can also change it from 1 to 60 here, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.